Hello, people, and now I'm back with my first video of the day. And you know what? Over the weekend, I just saw that now I actually have 5 subscribers. You five. So it feels good, and almost 923 views. So, but considering I have like 173 videos put up, so 973 views is like, but whatever, I'm just happy. And it's just been a month, yeah, more than a month, little more than a month, but very happy. Yeah, thank you. So, thank you, people. Thank you so much for subscribing. This feels so good, yeah, people. Mwah. so, so, um, the movie for today is the first video of the day. Today is we are reviewing this movie called Taare Zameen Par, which was produced by Aamir Khan, and it's one of these very rare films that speak of something like normally most Hindi movies, or in fact most movies as such, steer clear of discussing very serious issues, but this is perhaps, so in that sense this is like a landmark film, yeah, because it speaks of the almost the attention deficit disorder, ADD or whatever. And of course the real hero of the film, besides Amir Khan, is this cute little child star called Darshil Safari. So he's like adorable, yeah. And Tisca Chopra, who plays the role of mother, a special mention needs to be made of her because she's like just wow in the film, you know. She speaks for the on behalf of every mother who is, for whatever reasons, been separated from their child. So, beautiful film, and of course, the song that Prasoon Joshi has written the lyrics of the song, that a child singing to the mother. I can't even sing it because there's this one line, "Kya main itna bura hoon main maa," something like that. It's like, oh my God, it touches your soul, yeah. So I don't know if I talk of this film too much, I just might get emotional because it is that some films have that power, yeah, and most Amir Khan films, I would say, have that power. So this movie, I'd give it a 5-star rating, but I think considering that entertainment value also needs to be like, a movie should be such that you would want to watch it again and again, to to release your stress, and it should be a stress busting experience, not a stress causing experience. So for that one little thing, I would probably give it a 4-star rating. But on the whole, great film, people. So please try and watch it. Tare Zameen Par. It's like they've brought the stars from the sky onto earth for this one film. So thanks for watching, people, and thank you so much for subscribing. And yeah, please subscribe. So thanks.